you.
Hey, we're back because we pressed pause. So we need to don't open that. We have this slime solution, slime activator, which is to make the slime feel good.
But I need blue.
Yeah, this go.
Then blue can put the slime.
And of course, I think this is a powder or glitter, whatever it is. We're going to start off, keep the rubbish.
And keep that down.
There. And we're going to need a bowl.
And give me.
Not like that, I'm scared. It's not like that, okay? We're going to pour it in this bowl. Be careful, don't squeeze it, okay? You'll spill it, okay? Okay, so we just figure it out.
Me.
Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna hold it. Put it everywhere. Squeeze harder. Give me, I'll help you squeeze it. Okay, not near the. Okay, I'm scared right now. Not so near. He's scaring me. Give me, I'll help you. You hold the container. Hold this big bowl. Hold it. I help you. I squeeze very hard. Give me. You hold the bowl. Hold the bowl. Okay. Okay. Stop. Stop it. Okay. And we got it all out. And then I think we need to put that. Be careful, just pour it all over, okay? I'm scared again. Put it all. Good. And then now we start it, I guess.
This slime.
Then we put
There.
glitter. No, don't. Give me, I'll do it. Don't. Okay. Maybe a little help.
This stop.
It's okay. And we open it. There you go. Pour it slowly, but don't try it. Pour it very slowly. Don't shake it. Don't shake it. I know how to do. Give me. It's not like that. Don't. Okay. Don't look near it. And we got it all in. Now, I think it's time to start because that's the last ingredient.
So we can play the slime.
But not now. Not right.
Then I'm done.
I think something wrong.
Something.
And we got it all done. I think it's ready to play with it, but not that much ready. Wow, it feels okay. That's right. Yeah.
Just put it down.
Now my turn.
Let's
Okay, this. Excuse me, this, your hand. Put it. Slowly. Can I? Now it's my turn.
My turn.
It
Give
feels okay.
me teacher. Please.
Give me. I showed it to them. This is the slime. It feels still a bit sticky.
Here.
Very, very sticky. But it still feels very nice.
Give me you. So.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. I love you guys.
Bye. I love you guys.